All right, Cedric, what are you working on today? You look like you're getting prepped to do stuff. What's going on?
Doing building for one of our major customers we had for several years.
Okay.
And right now I'm gonna go ahead and weld the seams here, cut my holes in for a canopy on top of the building.
Mm-hmm.
Make sure it fits right. I have a jig to do that.
All right, cool. How long is this going to take you to get done today?
Pretty much just a few minutes to get this done. Then after that, I have to assemble everything together.
That's what I mean, the whole thing.
Probably a couple hours. I may finish out tomorrow morning.
Perfect. All right, man. What now? We got to flip that thing over and do the other side, or is that done?
I clean the top off. I cut my top hole, and I label it front and back.
Cool.
Tack your angle here. You have the tack still left, so I grind those off. But with these, you run the right heat and the right temperature and wire speed. It cleans itself, and you run it real slow.
Got it. So the brackets, this is a bracket you just use to mark it with, right?
Basically, this is for my temper.
It's like a template. I meant to think
Yeah, this is my temper I use. I lay it in, mark it off. This puts the holes in for the canopy.
So the same holes for every canopy.
Yeah. Let's see, you have a back.
Yep.
Have a front. Front side indicates front, back side indicates back.
Got it. All right, so you just cut the holes. Okay, so how much cleaning up will you have to do for each one of those?
Basically, just go across them and clean them out. Make sure they set, and then flip it over.
Okay.
Do the other side the same way.
Okay. So when you say flip it over, you have to do the seams too. You do the welding again, and then
Top of the building, and on the inside have to match.
Got it.
Because when you put your bolts in, you bolt through, and they match up, and you don't have to, give. Matter of fact, I made a little oversized in the top because it gives them wiggle room to fit in when they put the bolts in.
Again, are you done welding this? You're just gonna cut the holes, and then this piece is done.
Yeah. After I cut the holes on the other side, then I'll start putting it together.
Thanks, Cedric. We appreciate it.